Introducing the all-in-one social media engine. With this app, you can get access to graphics and design templates available in all dimensions. It also comes with hundreds of design categories and templates. This social media engine includes 10,000 ready-to-use designs. Have complete control over the customization process and get access to thousands of royalty-free icons, vectors, photos, and design assets. You can even upload your images and photos to the app. Resize your designs to all shapes and sizes. And create e-commerce and mockups in just a few seconds. Purchase the all-in-one social media engine now.